Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 on board the Carnival Breeze. And of course, what's today?
Halloween.
Happy Halloween. So today we continue Halloween on the high season. It is actually Halloween. So today we're going to be in Costa Maya.
Costa Maya.
We have excursions, but we don't get there till about 1 o'clock. So we got some time around here on the ship, and Tiffany's got her Halloween activities already ready to go. So I'm going to let Tiffany explain. So what do you got going on for Halloween?
So they're having trick-or-treating for all the kids and stuff for the guests and everything. But I put together a little candy bag full of candy. And this is just for the crew. The crew get to trick-or-treat from me and Chris.
So there you go. So Tiffany's going to be trick-or-treating the crew throughout the entire day. But you ready to get your day started?
Ready to get the day started.
I'm ready to get the day started. We're going to go to breakfast, get a little something to eat, and, of course, trick-or-treat any crew along the way that we can find.
Yes.
So let's go trick-or-treat crew.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning. We have candy for you. You get to pick what you want. There's all kinds of stuff. You're welcome. You want some candy? You want some candy? Y'all get to trick or treat today. Good morning. You want some candy? We're letting y'all trick or treat today.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You want some candy?
Oh, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Would you like some candy?
Oh,
We're going to let the crew trick or treat today. Oh, you can have more than that.
Oh, really?
There you go. You're welcome. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Would you like some candy?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm good. Would you like some candy?
Oh, thank you, ma'am. I'm full. I just finished my breakfast.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate it.
You want it for later?
Later, yeah, I'll check it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take as much as you want.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You want some candy? We're going to let y'all trick or treat today. You
I
want
will
some?
take the chocolate, yeah.
Okay. There you go. You're welcome. Would you like some candy?
No.
Okay.
I would like, but the company.
All right. We got our towel animal already. This morning we got a crab. All right, so we are off the ship. We are in Costa Maya, and we are actually already over here at the Mayan ruins. And it is Chacchoben. I believe that's exactly how you say it. I believe that's what they said. But it was real quick. I mean, we got off the ship, right into the port, right onto a van, drove right over here. It took about an hour for us to get here. But we're going to go ahead and start the tour, take a look at some Mayan ruins. They look pretty cool from what I can see so far. So let's go check them out. Bye.